What if you could visualize your brainwaves in real time with just a few clicks? Guess what? Codes Python just got a major upgrade to do that. Hey everyone, this is Payal Lakda from Upside Down Labs. Welcome to the 6th episode of Codes Python series. Today we are unlocking another exciting application. EEG with FFT and brain power bands, now with a sleek user-friendly interface. Whether you are a researcher, developer or just curious about neuroscience, this tool lets you visualize real-time EEG signals and their frequency distributions across all channels instantly. For those who are new here, Codes Python is an open source bag of tools for recording and visualizing biopotential signals using BIAMP hardware. Now without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Before we begin, let's set up the hardware and make all the necessary connections to record EEG signals. We'll use Neuro Playground Lite for this demonstration, a compact 3-channel wireless biopotential signal amplifier designed for EEG, ECG, EMG and EOG recording. Built into an Adafruit feather form factor, it offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee and Thread connectivity along with patient protection, LEDs including user LED, charging LED and 6 addressable RGB LEDs, a reset and user button, LiPo battery charging and USB-C with ESD protection. Its lightweight and user-friendly design makes it perfect for research, education and wearable applications. The device will be launching soon on CrowdSupply, so be sure to sign up on the pre-launch page and stay updated. The link for the sign up page is provided in description box below. Before you start recording the EEG signals, prepare your skin thoroughly using NuPrep Skin Preparation Gel. Then connect the BIAMP cables to NPG Lite. Snap them on gel electrodes and place them on the targeted area. Now turn on NPG Lite by flipping the on-off switch. Connect it to the laptop using a USB-C cable and flash the firmware to your board using the NPG Lite Flasher app. Click the eye icon on the top right corner to watch the detailed walkthrough video. Let's get the software up and running. Follow these simple steps to set up Codes Python. Go to the Codes Python GitHub repo, download it and extract the folder. Open it in VS Code or any other code editor. Open a new terminal. Set up a virtual environment by running the command. Activate it using this command. Write this command to install all dependencies. Launch the Flask server. Click on this link to open the web interface. You will see that the interface is completely revamped, cleaner, faster and more intuitive than before. Now it's time to connect. On the top left corner of the web interface, you will see 3 options: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Serial. For this demo, we will connect NPG Lite via Bluetooth. Ensure your NPG Lite is turned on and the USB-C cable is unplugged. Then turn on the Bluetooth of your laptop or PC and click on the Bluetooth button on the top left corner of the web interface. And a pop-up will appear displaying the list of available devices to connect. Select your device and hit the Connect Device button. To record the raw data as a CSV file, click the Start Recording button located on the top right corner. When you click Stop Recording, the CSV data will be saved directly to the downloaded GitHub folder. Now let's explore the EEG with FFT application. When you launch it, the GUI displays raw EEG signals on the left side, while the right panel shows real-time FFT plots for all channels at the top and brain power bands for your selected channel at the bottom. Want to customize this view? Simply click the Settings button to select which EEG channels you would like to display. Once you have made your selections, click OK. By default, both raw EEG data and FFT are shown for all available channels. Please note that brain power analysis supports only one channel at a time. And there you have a complete application for visualizing, analyzing and using your EEG signals to create various BCI applications. For more details, you can view our Codes Python documentation, which is linked in the description box below. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll explore another exciting application of Codes Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, keep tinkering.